MB Holding realizes its integrated geothermal investments in Aydın, Salavatlı, J550 geothermal field. In an area of 33 square kilometers, there are geothermal electricity production power plants, as well as integrated greenhouse and tourism investments. In the area, there is a reserve under 168 to 174 centigrade degrees, with a pressure of 10 bar and a flow rate capacity of 350 to 400 tons per hour. 4 geothermal power plants that are included in the integrated project are nourished by means of 15 production wells in the reserve field. The geothermal fluid, decomposed as compressed water and vapor at the wellheads, is transferred to the power plants by the gathering pipelines. There are turbines in the power plants that operate with a power circuit principle. Electrical energy is produced in the turbines that turn as a result of the pressure when pentane, a hydrocarbon with a low boiling point, is heated with geothermal fluid in a closed circuit system. The electricity produced is transferred to the National Electricity Distribution Network via step-up transformers and interconnected lines. Dora 1 started operating in the year 2006. It has a power of 7.95 megawatts and generates 56 million kilowatts electricity annually. Dora 2 started operating in the year 2010. It has a power of 9.5 megawatts and generates 75 million kilowatts electricity annually. Dora 3 is going to start operating in the year 2014. The power plant has an established power of 34 megawatts and an annual electricity production capacity of 220 million kilowatts. Dora 4 shall start operating in the year 2013. The power plant has established power of 17 megawatts and an annual electricity production capacity of 125 million kilowatts. The 4 power plants lead to a carbon dioxide emission reduction of 340,000 tons and a saving of 300,000 tons in petroleum products annually. The fluid produced by the geothermal wells, as a part of the integrated investment before re-injection, goes to the Sultan greenhouse investment facilities via geothermal heating. In the greenhouse that is established in a closed area of 41,400 square meters by soilless agriculture method, the below gutter height is 6.3 meters, and there are automation systems, tempered glass cover, wastewater recycling system, high-pressure misting system, hanging gutters, and a geothermal heating system. In the greenhouse that preserves the ecological balance and operates with a biological control system, 2,000 tons of cluster tomato are produced annually. The fluid from the greenhouse will be used for drying fruit and vegetables at the facility in the greenhouse complex. At the last stage of the integrated geothermal project, thermal tourism facilities are to be opened in order to utilize healing feature of the groundwater. They will be located near to the ancient settlements and historical thermal springs in the region. A bed capacity of 1,000 is targeted at the first stage of the project. The thermal water transferred from the system shall be used for heating and in health tourism for treatment purposes. The geothermal fluid used for electricity, agriculture, and tourism facilities returns to the resource area by means of re-injection wells located in the area. MB Holding continues its integrated investments in Aydın, Salavatlı geothermal area.